his story unfold. Malobula, Malobula. A boy of the sea in the sun's golden glint, from the Layu Isles where the ocean sang mint. Yatulao, Nanobu Isaki Saki. Yet shaped by the red clay of Rewa's wide embrace, Susuka Tubere na Yasana Urewa, where struggle first carved lines of steel on his face. They called him Young Rex,